Okay, so let's start by opening our house drawing. And we're going to work on dimensions. So we first are going to change our current layer to anodims. Okay, and then we're going to go to format dim style. And we are going to create a new dimension style. So we're going to click new. We're going to name it dim 48. And we're going to click continue. Okay, first thing I'm going to go to the primary units tab up here and set it from decimal to architectural. I'm going to skip the fit tab. I'm going to click the text tab. I'm going to change the height. So my text is going to be the standard text. My text height is going to be 6 inches. Where it says text placement on the vertical, I want it to be above the line. And where it says text alignment, I want it to be aligned with the dimension. And we're going to set the offset distance from the dimension line to 1/2 inch. Okay, next is the symbols and arrows. I like a closed field arrowhead, but you can, there's plenty of different types, but closed field works for me. The arrow size, I'm going to match it to the text size, so it's 6 inches. The break size, so if we make a break on our dimensions, we're going to change 1/8 to 1 inch. Then the last one is lines. I like to offset it from the edge of the geometry 1 inch so it doesn't look like the line is, the dimension line is part of the building. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to set that as my current dimension, and then I'm going to close. Excuse me. Okay, so dimension is found under the annotate tab. You'll see text, and then you'll see dimension. Since I set it to be the dim 48 is my current, I will see dim 48 here in this line. All right, so I'm going to click the dimension button. we're going to start here at the top. I'm going to come over here to the edge of the corner when I get the green endpoint symbol. I'm going to click, and then I'm going to go to the window and click, and I'm going to raise my cursor up, and I'll put in 2 feet, enter. Now, I can go ahead and click this line, this corner, and this corner, but it would double up the line here. It would be thicker. So I'm going to use the continue symbol. So I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to go to the next corner. Click, see, I don't have to worry about the height. It's already set. Then I'm going to go to the end and click, and then I'm going to hit enter to finish, and enter it again to finish off my measurements, dimensions. So now I want an overall dimension. So I'm going to click dimension again, click this corner, click the opposite corner, raise it up. Let's try 3 feet. No, I'm going to erase that. Try it again. Let's do 3 foot 6 enter. That's good. Okay, we're going to go on the side now. We're going to do the dimension, the openings. So I'm going to click this corner, click to the window, pull it out, and do to the left, to the right, type in 24, enter. Hit my continue button, and I'm going to go through and click each edge and click and enter. Now I'm going to hit enter again to quit. All right, so I'm going to click dimension again. I'm going to get an overall dimension. Click this corner, come out, and let's do 3'6", enter. Okay. So now I'm ready to start here at the bottom. I'm going to start on the left side, click the corner, click, bring, oops. Click, let's see, let's try that again. Click this corner, then this corner, pull it down 24, hit the continue button, and then to this corner, enter. Now I'm not going to do an overall dimension because the width of the building is the same on the north and the south side. Okay, we're going to click dimension again. Click this corner, come out to the left, 24, enter. Do continue. And finally here at the end and hit enter. Again, I'm not going to do an overall dimension because it's the same on both sides. Okay, so I may want to do some dimensions inside of the building. So I'm going to click the format button again, dim style, click new, and I want to start with my dim 48, and I'm going to call it dim 48 in E. So no extension lines. I'm going to click continue. On the lines, I'm going to turn off the extension lines. Okay. Click OK, set it as current, and hit close. So now in my line, it says dim 48 NE. So now I can hit the dimension. I can click here in this corner and this corner to give an overall dimension of the length of that room. And then I can click this corner and this corner to tell me the dimension of where this nook is. And then if I click this corner and the window here, it tells me that it's 12 feet. I can come down here and click this corner and bring it over. And then I'll come in here. And let's see, my laundry room. And then the overall of the bathroom and the overall width of the bathroom. And then we'll do the shower enclosure. Let's do our closet. And okay, so I'll hit enter to stop. When I have two dimensions crossing over each other like this, I'm going to click the break button and select one. And when I hit enter, it breaks it. Okay, so I'll do that again. I'll get closer. So it broke it here too. Okay, so I'm going to click the break button, select this dimension, enter, and it breaks it. Okay, let's see what this one does. Not much. Okay, oh, here we go. And then it breaks it. Okay, so we would like to do a center line showing the center of this toilet. So we are going to first go to the Home tab and click Line and come over here and draw the width, a line on each side of the toilet showing the width. Okay, go back to the Annotation category tab. Here is our center line. So click center line. It asks you to select one line, then the second line, and then it puts the center line. So now I can go back to Home and erase these two lines. I'm going to click on this line to lengthen it to the edge of that. And I'm also going to move my bath text out of the way. That covers up that. Okay. Okay, so then I'm going to do DT for text. Click on the screen. Type 6, enter, enter. And then I'm going to type CL. Enter, enter. And then I'm going to move the L. I'm going to turn off my ortho. And I'm going to move the L like that. So that indicates CL, tells me that that's the center line of the toilet so that the plumber will know what the center line is. If we go up here to our drain, I can do a center mark. So if I go back to annotate, here's the center mark, and I can click the screen click the circle like that. It provides me with a center mark of that drain. Okay, you'll do the same thing here with the dishwasher. So if you click center line, click this wall and this wall of the cabinets, it puts in a center line. If I click the line and drag it a little bit, it now breaks it so that you can see it's a center line. And then I'll just come over here and copy the text for that. And that's dimensions in a nutshell.